Saffron spice is so expensive but has many benefits. Stay till the end and you'll find out. This saffron is so expensive. I got this one and it is only, let's see, 0.06 ounces. And this right here was $18 at Walmart. $18 for 0.06 ounces. This is the most expensive spice in the world. The next most expensive is the vanilla bean. But the saffron, we're talking about that today. Saffron is very expensive, but it does have many benefits to it, which I will go through. Let me open this so you get a better look. See? But it is so good and so rich in flavor and lots of benefits. Let me put this back up and I will give you the benefits. Saffron has been used for medical reasons also. It has a powerful antioxidant that helps protect you from free radicals. It also can improve mood and treat depression symptoms, and also can treat cancer-fighting properties. Saffron is very high in antioxidants, which helps neutralize harmful free radicals. The bottom line is, saffron is a powerful spice and is high in antioxidants and can help aid in your healthy recovery.